can't drag this tank right here. If you drag that tank, you're gonna have some serious problems. You drag that tank right there. Anybody towing tow stuff like this, higher end stuff, and you can't tear these cars up. You do, you won't be towing very long. I promise you that. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and strap it all the way down and get out of here. This is the tow company. Y'all got a car in a handicap spot? Okay, hey, what building is that at? Okay, that's fine, yeah. Yeah, that one's parked in it right there. Let's check it out. I don't see no placard anywhere. Do not see a handicap placard anywhere on this car. Hey, that's the one we're taking for sure. I know that. Was this one stickered too?
Oh, no.
Did they sticker it?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, she stickered it, man. I like these Subarus, man. Listen, man, I'll be honest with you, she's towing, man. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. That's the first one I'm gonna get because that guy.
But this one can move though. Would it help if this one moved?
I can hook it where it's at. I'm gonna skip this one. It's all-wheel drive. I'm gonna skip it for now. Give you a minute, give you a little bit of time to figure it out.
Well, I'm saying she can drive this off though.
Huh?
She can drive this off, like.
Listen, if you can drive the car, man.
Yeah.
Then just get it off property. You know what I'm saying? Get it off property, and you'd be good.
But this one's good for now, right?
Huh?
This one's good for right now.
Well, I can't tell you.
Today.
Listen, I can't tell you that I can leave it because she's towing. I had some. There's a couple of guys on property got like 6 cars.
Yeah.
That's putting you under you know what I'm saying, under the radar. I think dude's got 6 cars scattered out in different buildings, no tags, and that puts you in a situation where she started looking because he's got so many. I mean, yours are, you know, that one's clean, man. You know what I'm saying? It's clean. It's not dirty. But anyway, yeah, I can't tell you that I ain't gonna tow. Right this second, I'll leave it, but because there's more on property. But you need have you talked to her already?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, if you can move that one, save that one, man, for sure.
Yeah.
If you can drive it, save that one, man. You know what I'm saying? Where it don't get yanked. Cool. But anyway, man, I ain't trying to be harsh, man. It's just, I just tow, man. That's what we do, bro. Yeah. Have a go, man. All right, he's gonna drive the Ford. He's gonna drive the Ford truck out, which is good. The other one, I gotta tow it. It don't run. He's trying to get me to leave it, but you know what, man? It don't matter how nice people, you know, how nice they are. I'm hired to tow cars, man. That's what we do. And we pull up and tow cars. Don't matter if anybody's happy about it or not. There we are. We're back at it again. Same area, same property. To get that Forester, I'm gonna go ahead and spin around and hook it. I talked to the kid that owns it earlier, and he wanted me to leave the car, but I can't. I can't leave the car. The manager basically sent me a picture of this car, and she sent me numerous pictures, but this particular one was one that she wanted towed. So it's got to go. There's no question about it. I believe this car right here is the guy's old car. He's got that new one, that little souped up little sports car. This was his old car, I'm pretty sure. Either that or it's a project car he had. But he, like I said, he tried to get me to leave it, but I can't leave cars. I'm here to get them. I'm not here to leave them. Any tow guy that leaves cars around that property managers are asking to be towed, he's not going to have a job very long. I can just about guarantee you that. He won't be in business very long. But we're going to go ahead and sign this thing out and head out to the yard. Go drop. Anyway, stay tuned. What's up, Jax? Dado, Jimmy. Hey, here's Tow Trucker. I just stopped by this gas station, get me a little snack, get me an energy drink. I'm doing a out of town run, and I come up on this zombie attack wagon. Like they got the chainsaw, and they got the police. Hey, they got the police crime scene tape. What's going on, man? I don't know what this shackle right here is. Some kind of shackles on the back. Anyway, I thought that was pretty funny.